This is dry as
Guys, look at the lift. Oh my gosh. Hinihilam mo yung door. Saka yung trailer pinto lang.
Ito nga nalalagay sa sikip.
Day 1 in Hong Kong! Say, Day 1 in Hong Kong!
On the bus.
Day 1 in Hong Kong!
Day 1 in Hong Kong.
More energy, more passion.
Ala, ayoko na.
No!
Bukas na lang.
KJ naman, nakakainis. Say Day 1 in Hong Kong.
Day 1 in Hong Kong.
Anyways, we're on our way to Chongqing Mansion. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me kasi ang ingay. Dito kami sa tabing kalsada. So yeah, magpapapalit lang kami ng pera. And then after, we'll eat. Guys, dito kami magpapapalit ng pera. And this is the current rate. So for PHP, it's this one. Guys, if magpapapalit kayo ng pera, make sure dito na lang sa Chongqing Mansions kasi ang laki ng difference niya pag sa airport. So pag sa airport, just make sure na magpapalit kayo ng enough lang for like transpo, ganyan, and like konting food. Pero dito na ang Chongqing Mansions kasi ang laki ng difference talaga. As per ate. Pinoy siya. So, guys, ito yung nalugi sa amin kanina sa airport. Papalit kami ng 15K. That's like 7,000 in peso.
Okay.
Sobrang cute. Tapos may oh my gosh, ang cute niya. So nice. Spicy saliva chicken. Guys, oh my gosh. First mission. Oh my god, it looks so good. Look, maba ng pila. Nakapila kami ngayon dun sa pan-fried buns. Because we're gonna try it. Meron siyang Michelin, so I'm really excited. Mukha siyang masarap talaga. Buti lang nakita namin siya kasi naharangan siya ng bus. Look. Kasi ito yung line. Also, inabutan kami ng ulan tapos wala kaming payong. So now, naghahanap kami. Buti na lang mabilis lang and tumila din agad. Pero I feel like mamaya ulan na naman. Kasi nakita ko yung weather forecast. Look at my nails also. Yeah.
Ano kayo ron?
And this is the other one.
Ng driver? Nung nag-deliver. Ako yung nag-deliver. Ano pwede ko?
Thank you so much, Ate Army. Guys, here's the menu. Pause mo na lang. I'm gonna order this one, this one, and this one. So yung drinks is, I think we're na salad or yung mango pomelo. What do you think?
No chili.
Let's try the spicy one first.
I am.
Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Am I still in the frame?
Ito yun
Okay, ito na first bite. Sarap. Sobrang sarap yung ano niya, soup sa loob. Tapos yung pinaka-wrap niya, medyo crunchy. Yung taas, tapos soft yung baba. Sarap niya kasi. It's from A6. It's 690 HA. Guys, look what I found! Fugglers! Maraming selection dito. Ang cute! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I love this one. This is the one that I have right now. Ta-da! So guys, kanina pa namin hinahanap yung Haiti kasi gusto kong mag-boba. Tapos, oh thank you! Lasang, hindi ko alam kung ano lasa. Yung pala dito sa labas, nakakainis. Umiikot kami doon sa loob ng mall. Anyways, if gusto niyo mag-boba and nahanap niyo Haiti, it's here. Guys, ang sarap. Oh my gosh. Ito yung brown sugar milk tea ng Haiti. Sobrang sarap niya. Especially yung boba. It's so tender. Wow. Parang yung nandun sa Taiwan. Oh my gosh! Lasang ice cream ng Jollibee. Sarap. Na may halong ice cream ng macro.
Ano 7?
Sarap. Try nyo itong Mr. Softy. It's everywhere here. Sarap siya.
Sige, tapos po-forward ko sa kanila.
We're gonna go. I found Pop Mart! So I went to Sephora but I didn't buy anything kasi nag-check lang ako ng prices doon ng mga skincare and like perfumes kasi I'm planning to check another shop na sabi nila mas mura daw doon yung mga perfumes, makeup and skincare. So We're gonna go there, I think, sa ibang araw. And then, I'm gonna compare the prices if mas mura nga. If mas mura, syempre I'll buy there. Nandito kami sa
Take away.
random shop. Paano siya? Nagsasell ng mga octopus. And then, like, intestine. Tapos, meron siyang Michelin. Tapos, meron kami nakausap na local dito. Masarap daw siya. So, we're gonna try. Okay, let's try. I don't know. Guys, we're back at the Airbnb. Kakainin na namin yung binili namin kanina. Yung may Michelin, yung merong intestine, and then octopus. I'll try first the octopus.
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish ito? Ano yun?
Yung pusit sa atin. Yung sinasabi yung pusit sa atin.
Cuttlefish pala to. Oh my gosh, natulog baby yung sauce. Butas siya. Yung kung hindi ko masyadong gusto yung parang sauce niya. Next one is this intestine. Try natin. Kasi same lang sila ng lasa. Hindi ko gusto yung sauce. Parang medyo natatapangan ako. Medyo para siyang lasang alak. Ganun. So imagine nyo yung isaw. Nilagyan ng alak. Ganun.
Yung mustard na
merong kakaibang sauce pa. Like, parang may barbecue sauce and then alcohol na pinagsama. Yan yung lasa niya. Kasi just finished eating dinner. Hindi ko naubos yung mapo tofu. Dilim yata. Pero I'm gonna try this one, yung souffle cheesecake. Ang sarap. Ooh, it jiggles. Kalat yata ng background ko. Oh my god. May papel pa pala. Ang sarap. Oh my gosh. Parang siyang chiffon cake, pero better. Na-sure na loob niya. Tapos di siya masyadong matamis. Parang I'm gonna take a shower. It's day 2 in Hong Kong. It's 8:30 in the morning. We're actually running a bit late. Alarm pa ako. Anyways, we're running a bit late because guys pa ako, tagal ko nag-ayos. That's on me. I think the travel time from here to Disneyland is around an hour. Tapos, ang sasakyan namin is train.
nakakapatay.
Guys, we're here sa Libay Station. And then from here, magte-take kayo ng train ulit. Magta-transfer kayo to a different train papuntang Disneyland Resort. So, dito kami natin namin yung train. Guys, we're here. We're inside the park. Although maulan. As you guys can see. Look. Buti na lang medyo tumila siya. So excited! Grabe excited na ako mag-rides.
No. No rides.
Ayaw niya mag-rides. By the way, kumuha kami ng fast pass for 3 attractions lang. Supposedly 8 attractions yung kukunin ko. Kaya lang, sold out na siya kasi kagabi lang kami nag-book. Anyways, I hope masakit lahat ng gusto kong rides.
Ano lang ako, sideline, taga-cheer. Go babe.
Pero wala siyang magagawa. Sasakay siya sa ibang rides. Siguro kahit mga 5.
3. I'm a ball now at 3. Sarap sa likod.
Guys, we're inside. Basang-basa kami ng ulan. Ang pila ng grabe lakas kanina. Lalo na to. Wala pang dalang t-shirt. Guys, look! Wow! Okay, security. Ulitin mo. Stop natin.
2 frozen lollipop and a popcorn.
Guys, hindi pa kami nag-aalmusal. Mukhang popcorn ang almusal namin ngayon.
Ano popcorn?
Guys, ito na lang kakainin namin for breakfast. I'm gonna have cheddar cheese hot dog. Tapos siya yung chicken leg. Oh my gosh! Mag-ano na kami. Mag-rides na kami. Punta kami sa Fantasyland. Fantasyland na ba yung Frozen? I think Fantasyland yung Frozen. So, ayun yung first ride namin. Kasi inuuna muna namin yung mga tingin namin mahabang pila. Tapos yung mga, mayroon kaming fast pass. Later na lang. Oh my gosh! Ito ang aking videographer. So much. Lagi naman sa palantalong. This is going to be our first ride. Ready ka na? Smile ka muna.
Ayaw ko na, uwi na ako.
Guys, sarado pa yung ride. Sarado pa yung mga outdoor rides kasi umuulan nga dito. So, nag-aantay pa sila ng signal na pwede na ulit mag-resume. So cute! Anyways, mag-focus muna kami dun sa mga indoor rides.
Isang ride nga lang ako. Magagalit sila. Oh!
Kakatapos lang namin dun sa Frozen ride. Super saya niya. Chill lang siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-extreme. That was good for the first ride. What can you say?
Amusement parks are evil. Never come back.
Pero chill lang yun talaga yung first
Value your
ride.
life.
Pero ang saya niya. Enjoy ko siya. Medyo di ko in-expect. Di ko in-expect yung kung paano yung ride.
It was not food.
It was fun.
You have chosen Earth. You're strong and powerful.
We just finished watching the Anna and Elsa show. Honestly, medyo hindi ko siya nagustuhan. I was quite disappointed. Tagal pa namin nag-antay. But anyways, malamig naman dun sa loob. So, okay na rin. I think we're gonna go here muna sa It's a Small World. Puro chill rides yung nasasakyan namin ngayon. Kasi nga, di ba, puro indoor rides lang yung pwede as of now. Anyways, we're heading there. Sana mabilis lang yung waiting time. Guys, nagtatanong na siya ano daw yung ride na It's a Small World. Sabihin ko ba? Do you think it's an intense ride?
I wanna know. I don't want to know. Pwede dito, pwede safe.
Chill lang kasi sabi niya, chill lang daw dito. Sure siya kasi walang kapitan. Okay, ready na sa pinaka-extreme na ride. Nandito kami sa Hyperspace Mountain. Finally, something thrilling. High-speed roller coaster. So, I'm excited! 15 minutes yung wait time. Guys, nire-dessert na na yung kung anong meron dun sa ride.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they
Got this. Guys, excited na ako. Ikaw?
No, not excited.
Panasyalan. Hindi naman.
Gusto ko na mag-digits ulit.
Bawal. Oh my God, guys! Kakatapos lang namin doon sa Hyperspace Mountain. Sobrang saya nung ride. Ang bilis niya, hindi ko in-expect.
Fingers.
It was really fun. Yay!
May churros pa iba.
Bang, 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 bang.
大家快啲拎起物送上，瞄準機械場嘅弱點，全力出擊。You get the shirt。小心啲，突擊戰車嘅導航系統被蘇雷破壞。大家應用直線對付蘇雷同嗰啲機械
泡泡。
好長。
Kaya sumakay kami dun sa Ant-Man. Wala, chill lang siya. Mga maril-maril ka lang din. Chill ride. It was fun. Ay, di naman.
Ayun, kalaban din. Ang drinking fountain.
Ayaw na niyang uminom sa drinking fountain kasi doon nasa Taiwan kami uminom siya nung gano'n sa station tapos nag-LBM siya.
Yeah, the traveler's diarrhea.
the fair relationship. Guess it's bad to situationship. Till this your dying soul feels half alive.
On a dinosaur.
I've looked for opportunity for me still late to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that two-time view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting?
Mga ginagawa bago kumain. Kaya ang tagal bago ako makasubo ng kakainin ko. Padaming ritual. So magagalit pa yan pag di niya nakuha yung gusto niya na shot. Sa akin pa magagalit. Ano na ako ginagawa? Sinipat pa.
Wow. Sarap siya. Sarap. Guys.
Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be. Just stuck in the in-between.
Guys, bibili ako ng ice cream. 45. Masarap talaga. Ayun ulit order ko. Naman. Round 2.
Parang ginawa ni mag-ice cream.
Sarap.
Yeah, if there's a manga elephant and a baby elephant, let's say until forward. So please learn from him that he was taking a really long shower. Here's the Rico is gazing. And look at the front, demonstrating that the elephant. You want to stand?
Katapos lang namin sa Jungle River Cruise, diba? It was fun. Ang cute ng mga animatronics nila. Anyways, pupunta kami dito sa Toy Story Land. Kasi sasakay ako dun sa mga rides ngayon since open na ulit siya.
I'm
Ikaw.
out. No more. Oh, people.
Ayaw na niyang sumakay. So, feel ko magsosolo na lang ako. Ako na lang mag-isa. Tatry ko yung Race Shack. Ayaw ni Itlog. So, solo na lang. So excited!
為確保你嘅安全同宇宙間嘅穩定，請坐好，將手臂同埋腳保持喺車裡面。請看管你嘅太空小戰士。後部
Guys, tapos na ako dun sa ride na yun. Super saya niya. Kaso bitin. Sobrang bilis lang yung ride pero ang saya. I'm on to the next one. Ito yung tatry ko yung it goes all the way up there. Guys, malapit na.
If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be. Just stuck in the in-between.
Galing ako dun sa parachute drop. Tapos, dun sa RC Racer. Yung parachute drop, okay lang. Nakakalula lang siya. Kasi ang taas niya. Pero chill lang din siya na ride. Anyways, we're gonna have dinner now. Supposedly ito yung lunch namin kanina. Kaya lang di namin kinain. So, ngayon pa lang namin i-claim yung sa voucher namin. Sakit ka ng balakang mo.
請往月台較後嘅位置。